back, got the Mustang loaded up onto the RTR F-150. After the Turning Back Time car show and some hiking, biking, and other fun Havard stuff, we are headed back to Texas. You'll have to excuse me, I'm holding the phone again because like an idiot, I have not charged the GoPro. So I'm back in the F-150 RTR after 16 and a half so hours driving from Northern Illinois back home to Texas. And after spending less than 24 hours at my home, I am embarking on a 12-hour trip back up north to St. Louis for St. Louis FD and a dealer meet and greet interview session that I have going on, informing them about RTR. So, fun. I am in Texarkana, Texas. If anybody's ever seen the Smokey and the Bandit movies, you guys will know that Texarkana is where they ran to get the Coors Light from Atlanta, Georgia. I don't know about you guys, but what do you think? Should I grab the F-150 RTR and do a run from Georgia to Texarkana with one of the spec models and one of the other guys, see if we can do it? I don't know, I think it'd be fun. Arkansas has the best city names. Arkadelphia. That is insane. I wonder where they make the best Arky cheesesteak here. Well, that's not something you see every day. Group of bears hugging it out on the highway. Got all these empty spaces around here, and this Camaro parked next to me so they can get some of this RTR cool rubbed off onto them. Morning and welcome. We are here at FD St. Louis. We got all set up. The boys are out there doing some practicing. We got the F-150 RTR set up down here, looking gorgeous as always. When you step into the Fun Havard Tour, you're gonna come in here, you're gonna see our awesome setup of our wheels. We got our crew in here, testing out the simulators, making sure everything's ready for when everybody gets here. We got this super sick looking Focus ST sitting here on bags. And we finish it out with our merch, and we also got down here a Spec 2 RTR. So come out here, see Stavion, see Cody, see everybody, have some fun.
Here we go. Boom. Right. Alright, I know it, guys. Let's get to that recharger. Who's got the backflip? Who's got it? Someone has to do a backflip. Oh, here we go.
Watch it, one's behind you guys.
Everybody step away. We're not responsible. That's it, you got it. Oh!
Looks like to me he got lost in your smoke.
Did he spin?
Yes, he spun behind you. Going to the top 16 with the momentum here.
Once I was locked on, I had to stay in it. I couldn't lift because I had so much angle.
So Forsberg deemed that false for the contact. travel. Good job recovering it. Yeah.
I was in for it, but as soon as I entered, it popped out.
Yep, they're giving it to Peter Bistic. I agree with them. Heck of a good job this weekend, they do. Overcome a lot of stuff here.
So we just finished up FD St. Louis last night. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning now on Sunday, and I'm about ready to head back into the F-150 RTR, heading into Kansas to hit up some dealerships there. They have some Series 1 RTR, so check that out. And then home to Texas. Traveling through the northern part of New Mexico is absolutely beautiful. I've traveled through the southern part, and not to knock it, but with the sun going down the way it is right now, with the RTR F-150 in the background, has made for some beautiful pictures. I'll try and toss some of them up in here that I've been taking, but I mean, this is just absolutely awesome. Like I say, I really do not think that this does it justice. Like, this is so cool.